Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Dear students, in the last class, we are discussing a lesson, Colors of Silence, about Satish Gujral, a famous artist. And through this lesson, we come to know that physical disability is no barrier to success. That Satish Gujral, in his childhood, he met with an accident. Because of that, he lost his hearing ability or he became deaf. Even though he was become deaf, it will not become barrier to his success. He has become a famous artist. So that's why we should not feel inferior when we are become the victim for physical disability. So that's what we come to know all these things. That Satish Gujral, when he went hiking with his father and his brother Inder, and when they are crossing the rickety bridge, he has lost his foothold and he fell down into the rapids. So because of that falling, there was a severe injury to his head and also his legs. So the doctor treated him. Several operations have been made to cure his legs. Even though his legs were cured, but they were remained weak. So that because of the medicine given to cure his legs, because of that, he had lost his hearing power. That was the opinion of the doctors. And also, the school where he was studying till that have sent him out because of his hearing problem and because of his irregular in the school. So these are the things we have discussed in the last class. ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಕಳೆದ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ವಿ ಈ ಸತೀಶ್ ಗುಜ್ರಾಲ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು. ಇವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಬಾಲ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಕೂಡ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳುವ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಅವರ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಅದು ತಡೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದಿನ ಸುಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಒಂದು ಕಲಾಕಾರರಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ದೈಹಿಕ ನ್ಯೂನ್ಯತೆ ಅವರ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಡ್ಡಿಪಡಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ಅವರು ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ತಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದುರ್ಬಲವಾದಂತಹ ಸೇತುವೆಯನ್ನು ದಾಟಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನದಿ ಹರಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಗ್ಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರ ತಲೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರ ಕಾಲುಗಳು ಸರಿಯಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವು ದುರ್ಬಲವಾಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಉಳಿತವೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಾಲನ್ನ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಔಷಧಿಗಳ ಪರಿಣಾಮವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳುವ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ತಾವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕಲಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕಿವಿ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಕಳೆದ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ paragraph number 15, page number 143. Dear students, observe my pronunciation carefully and identify the difficult words. I will write the meaning of the difficult words on the blackboard. You will take them. Okay, let's start. Page number 143. Beta, you have to go to school and learn. What will you do in life? You don't get education. Yeah, he asked his son. Satish heard snatches of his words but knew what he was saying. After a lot of persuasion, he finally agreed to go along to the new school. But this school didn't want him for the same reason. This is a school for normal boys. Why don't you take your son to the school for deaf and dumb children? Asked the headmaster of the school bluntly. Avtar Narayan was angered. My son is not dumb, sir. His hearing is a little bad. He is under treatment and will soon be fine. He argued, but in vain. Other schools had the same to say. In despite, father and son returned home. Though Avtar Narayan felt shattered, he would not give up hope. After the unsuccessful expedition to the schools, Satish became very moody. He could not talk freely with anyone because he was unable to hear a single word. His brother Inder sat for hours with him and talked to him, teaching him words and pronunciation. Unable to bear the taunts and teasings of the children in the neighborhood, Satish even avoided going out to play. His father and Inder spent time with him every day, talking to him, trying to teach him things. If you want to get on in life, you have to read a lot. You can learn a great deal of things just by reading. His father told Satish, giving him an armful of books. Satish leaped through them. The Life of Garibaldi, translated into Urdu by Lala Lajpat Rai, the works of Munshi Premchand, Sharat Chandra and several others. It was as if a whole world opened out for him. Satish became a voracious reader. The books, however, were all serious works meant for older children and sometimes even for adults. They made him feel depressed and left a deep impression upon his sensitive mind. He came to know of another world through them, a world of suffering and anguish. He brooded long and all about why there was so much of suffering in the world, while his whole world looked comfortable in comparison. Another bout of fever struck and Satish was confined to bed. All he could do was sit and stare out of the window or read. He felt lonely and full of despair at his flat. Let's stop there. I will explain from the paragraph number 50. Okay. So after when the school where Satish was studying they didn't ready to take him for the school. They sent him out from the school because of his frequent absence and because of his hearing problem. So after that, Satish's father told Satish to join him for new school. But Satish, he didn't agree for that because the children made fun of his deafness day in the new school. So ಸತೀಶನ ತಂದೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಅವನ ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಾಕಿದ್ರು, ಆಗ ಸತೀಶನ ತಂದೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸತೀಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಪ್ಪೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಆ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಕಿವುಡುತನವನ್ನ ಹಾಸ್ಯ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅವರು ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇಟಾ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲರ್ನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದ father of Satish, Avatar Narain, he is telling Satish the importance of the education. That's why they are telling, beta, you have to go to school and learn. Here beta is an Hindi word. It means to say son. Beta means son. Magane, you have to go to school and learn. ನೀನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. What will you do in life if you don't get education? Yeah? So if you don't get education, you can't do anything. This is the opinion of Satish's father. That is what he is telling to him. What will you do in life if you don't get education? So according to him, without education we can't do in our life. ನೀನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಸಾಧಿಸ್ತೀಯ, ನೀನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೇಳಿ, ಸತೀಶ್ heard snatches of his words but knew that he was saying what he was saying. Satish didn't heard the whole words of his father because he already lost his hearing power. He has become deaf. But he only heard the snatches of his father's words. Here, snatches means S-N-A-T-C-H-E-S. S-N-A-T-C-H-E-S. Snatches means parts. Here, parts means Satish heard only few parts of his father's words. ಆ ತಂದೆಯವರ ಕೆಲವು ಮಾತುಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸಿದ್ರು. But knew what he was saying. But Satish knew that. He knows that what is his father is telling. But Satishನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. After a lot of persuasion means, observe the word persuasion. Persuasion means act of convincing. Act of convincing. Here, after a lot of persuasions, after a lot of convincing words, he finally agreed to go along to the new school. So, after a lot of effort of convincing, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅವನನ್ನ ಒಪ್ಪಿಸೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ he finally agreed to go along to the new school. ಅವನು ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಆ ಹೊಸ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. Who? As Satish. So after the lot of convincement, after the lot of persuasion, Satish finally agreed to go along with the new school. Okay, but this school did not want him for the same reason. So after they went out for they inquiring in many schools. One school they went, what they say? This school did not want him for the same reason. That school also, where they were expecting to join him, expecting to take admission, that school also, they are refused to take that boy because of the same reason. What was the reason? As his hearing was bad. He was becoming deaf. He can't hear. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ನು ದೊರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಯಾ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನ ಕೇಳುವ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ. This is a school for normal boys. Why don't you take your son to the school for dumb and deaf and dumb children? Asked the headmaster of the school bluntly. So the headmaster of that school, where they are going to join the school, the headmaster of that school, he bluntly says to the Avatar Narayan that this is a school for normal boys, not for the physically challenged boys. And he also gave suggestion that why don't you join him to the school for dumb and deaf. And he tell that unkindly he told these words to Avatar Narayan. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರು ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಶಾಲೆ, ನೀವು ಕಿವುಡರು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಮೂಗರಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಸೇರಿಸಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಜೆಷನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಕಠಿಣವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Avatar Narayan was angry. Avatar Narayan ಅವರಿಗೆ the father of Satish became angry. ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Here is a word that bluntly, B-L-U-N-T-L-Y. Bluntly means unfeelingly, without any feeling. ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ he got angry and he is telling to the headmaster, my son is not dumb, sir. His hearing is a little bad. He is under treatment and will soon be fine. He argued, but in vain. So Avatar Narayan, he tried to convince that headmaster by telling that his son was not dumb. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಕಿವುಡ ಅಲ್ಲ, his hearing is a little bad. ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳುವ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. his hearing is little bad, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. he is under treatment, he is taking treatment and will soon be fine. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅವನ ಬೇಗ ಅವನು ಹುಷಾರಾಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ vain. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Other schools had the same to say in despite father and son returned. So like that they visited so many schools for the admission, but all the schools gave the same reason and rejected that boy. So the father and the son again they came back returned to home. ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಸರದಿಂದ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ವಿಚಾರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಗ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಬೇಸರದಿಂದ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Though Avatar Narayan felt shattered, he would not give up. Though Avatar Narayan was shattered, shattered means helpless. Shattered, S-H-A-T-T-E-R-E-D, S-H-A-T-T-E-R-E-D. Shattered means helpless. Helpless means ಅಸಹಾಯಕತೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅವತಾರ್ ನರೇನ್ ಅವರು ಅಸಹಾಯಕರಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ felt shattered, he wouldn't give up hope. ಆದರೆ ಅವರು ಭರವಸೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು? ಅವತಾರ್ ನರೇನ್. After the unsuccessful expedition to the schools. Expedition means, here is a word, expedition. I will write these words. Expedition. Expedition means a journey with a purpose. A journey, J-O-U-R-N-E-Y. J-O-U-R-N-E-Y. Journey. A journey with a purpose. P purpose. ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅನ್ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಡಿಷನ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಶಾಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಲೆದಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಯಾಗದ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಅನ್ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಡಿಷನ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್, ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಯಾಗದ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಗಳ ಪ್ರಯಾಣದ ನಂತರ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಶಾಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನ ಸತೀಶ್ನಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಶಾಲೆಯವರು ಕೂಡ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಿಫಲರಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ. ಸತೀಶ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಮೂಡಿ. ಸತೀಶ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಮೂಡಿ. ಮೂಡಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದಂಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಬೆರೀತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. He could not talk freely with anyone. So Satish, he did not talk freely with anyone. ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಹಾಸ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಕಿವುಡತನವನ್ನು ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he was unable to hear a single word. So he has become deaf. He can't hear a single word. So that he became moody and he didn't talk freely with anyone. So Satish, he can't hear a single word, so that he was not talk with anyone freely, and he has become moody. ಸತೀಶು ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾತಾಡದೆ ಒಬ್ಬಂಟಿಯಾಗಿರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದ. His brother Indar sat for hours with him and talked to him. ಅವನ ಸಹೋದರ ಇಂದರ್ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಇವನ ಸತೀಶನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಗಂಟೆಗಳು ಅವನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್, ಅವನ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ he talked with him, he teaching him the words and the pronunciation. So he has become Satish. No school was there that Satish didn't get admission in the schools. So his brother himself, he is teaching him words and pronunciation in the house. ಯಾವ ಶಾಲೆಗಳು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಅವನ ಸಹೋದರ ಇಂದರಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸತೀಶನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ. Unable to bear the taunts and the teasings of the children in the neighborhood, Satish even avoided going out to play. So Satish thought that if I go to play with the neighbor boys, they will taunt him, they will tease him about his deafness. So he avoided going out to play with that boys. Satishu ತನ್ನ ನೆರೆಹೊರೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವರು ತನ್ನ ಕಿವುಡತನವನ್ನು ಅಣಕಿಸಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ. ಟಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ TAUNTS. Taunts means remarks intended to hurt somebody's feelings. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಆ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಆ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಟಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡೆಡ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ he can't bear the taunts and the teachings of the children of neighbor. ಆ ನೆರೆಹೊರೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಒಂದು ಅವರು ಅಣಕಿಸಬಹುದು, ತನ್ನ ಭಾವನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನೋವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಅವನು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಆಟ ಆಡೋದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟ. His father and Inder spent time with him every day, talking to him, trying to teach him things. His father and Inder spent time with him every day. So not only his brother, his father also spent time with him because he was not going to school, so he will feel bored and he has becoming more moody. So that his father and Inder both are spending time with him every day. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಅವನ ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನ ಸಹೋದರ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಅವನ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಲವನ್ನು ಕಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್, ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ದೇ ವರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಲಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ಎ ಲಾಟ್. You can learn a great deal of things just by reading. So his father told to Satish, if you want to get on in life, ಈ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, you have to read a lot. You have to read and you have to gain knowledge. You can learn a great deal of things by reading. ನೀನು ಓದೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನೀನು ಸಾಧಿಸಬಹುದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. His father told Satish, giving him a hall full of books. So by telling that thing, he gave some books to him. ಅವನ ಸತೀಶನಿಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸತೀಶ್ leaped through them. ಸತೀಶ್ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ತಾನೆ. The Life of Garibaldi, translated into Urdu by Lala Lajpat Rai. So Lala Lajpat Rai, he translated the book The Life of Garibaldi into Urdu, in the Urdu language. So that book has been given to Satish by his father. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ beside that, the works of Munshi Premchand, Sharat Chandra and several others. So Satish's father gave the books of about the life of Garibaldi and Munshi Premchand and Sharat Chandra and several others to Satish to read them and to get knowledge about those books. So let's stop there, students. I will continue the lesson in the next class. Okay, and I will give you the homework for today's class. Take on the homework. 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 What made Avatar Narayan angry? What made Avatar Narayan angry? Second question. How did Satish brother Inder try to help? How did Satish brother Inder try to help him? So these are the two questions I am giving you for homework. I hope we have all understood the today's lesson well. Let's meet you in the next class. Okay, thank you.